After I did that Brigitte Bardot video that got everybody riled up, a couple of women said, why don't you make a video about who Carol was fantasizing about when she was younger? So I said, okay, fine, no problem. She actually drew a picture of who she was fantasizing about back when she was a teenager. So we might as well share it. I mean, I'm not hiding anything, so.
Well, I thought it was really cool. It is just proof that you need to be very thoughtful for what you manifest.
Yeah, be careful what you fantasize about.
A lot, yeah. When I was 15, I shared this on Facebook a few months ago, but Marcus found this picture of him that looked exactly like it. So when I was 15, you know, I never was able to go out. I had a very short leash on me, so I liked to draw a lot. That was my fantasy world. And I drew this picture of my future self with my future boyfriend, how I wanted him to look, how I wanted myself to look, and where I wanted to go.
How old were you?
I was 15. I wanted to go to a nightclub and dance. I love dancing in nightclubs. And here it is, and it's so cool. I just can't believe that I actually drew, unbeknownst to my little 15-year-old mind, I was drawing the future guy I was going to spend the rest of my life with.
Let me show you something profound here. She did this on her own. We didn't know each other, obviously. Here's a little, this is a trophy I got back when I was racing exotic cars in the early 90s. This is mind-blowing. Look at the striped pants. I mean, who wears that? Who wears stuff
I know,
like that?
who? I don't even know why I made him wear striped pants. They're so ugly.
I hardly ever wear sunglasses. And in this picture, I'm wearing sunglasses. And look at the drawing. I'm wearing a black shirt. She's got a black shirt. And when we met, the first thing I did was take her to the Ultimate Dance Club.
Oh, yeah, that's where I fell in love with you in EDC. Oh my God.
It was a football stadium that had like 11 stages set up with the ultimate DJs and dance music. It was like, what, 60,000 people or something? I created the reality that she drew.
You did. You made all my dreams come true in more ways than one. So yeah.
We just thought we'd share that.
And I'd like to share how, you know, you manifested Brigitte Bardot. I was manifesting this, you know, and I've manifested other things in my life that have come up. I've always wanted grass, a lawn. I've got a lawn now, a small little lawn, but, you know, when you think about things and give them your energy, be it good or bad, positive or negative, those things do tend to hang around and find you in your life and come to you.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of things. Like, I remember when I was a kid, I used to watch a TV show called Here Come the Brides, and Bobby Sherman was the star. And I always thought he was like the best looking guy in the world. And I thought, man, I wish I would look like that. And guess what I ended up looking like? It's so profound. You know, everybody has this thing, even girls. They have like, sometimes girls have posters of
other girls.
Farrah Fawcett on the wall, or Pam Anderson or something, or like, you know, when they're young, when they're teenagers. I had my Bobby Sherman thing. I wish I could be Bobby Sherman and stuff. And I had that name was just in my head, and I ended up looking like, not only did I end up looking like him, but the house that I bought before this one was owned by Robert Sherman, Bobby Sherman. Not the same guy, but it was the name. And I made a movie in 1994 where they all lived in a castle. It was a white castle with gold trim. Now I'm living in a white castle with gold trim. It's everywhere. It's white and gold. The whole house is white and gold.
And to remove any doubt this place was custom made for me, the address is 83. My birthday is August 3rd, 83.
Whatever it is that you feel strong about, good or bad, you're going to somehow. It's like putting you're putting a menu, an item, your order into the
universe.
The waiter, waitress
out to the universe, basically.
And they're cooking it for you right now. They're making it, and then you know it might take 10 years, 20 years, sometimes 30 years, whatever, or you know, but
they're working on your order.
Yeah.
Know that.
So whatever you're dwelling on. And when I say dwelling on, I don't just all mean like fantasy goody stuff. I mean anything.
Bad or good.
Yeah, you're kind of putting that energy out there. And
And isn't that weird? Like when you think of somebody that you haven't seen in months, they call you, or like that bird, the little black bird. I
Yeah.
thought, oh my God, I guess the little blackbirds, the little ones, they fly away for the summer. I thought that yesterday, the day before yesterday, and then the very next day, the little blackbird shows up at my house because I think he felt me think about him. You know, it's such a weird phenomenon.
Yeah. Anyway, so we thought we'd just share that. It's like some women thought you were upset by me doing. That's disrespecting you, showing who I fantasized about. And well, you fulfilled all that stuff for me. I'm thankful. I was like.
And we all have, you know, tastes.
Yeah.
You know, that things
And we
that
seem to like
desire.
blonde hair and healthy, fun California people, surfer type. That's our thing, right?
Yes.
Anyway, whatever and we're not saying anybody you got to be like us. I'm just saying whatever it is you like, whatever it is you think about, dwell about, somehow that starts making its way into your lives. So it might as well dwell on good stuff. And that's our video for today. Dwell on good stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, don't harp on and dwell on the bad things. It's your call. It's your choice. So we'll see you in the next video. And yeah, we're gonna make some recipe videos soon. Promise.
Bye.